Good day, guys. Today I'll be showing you guys how to set up your XRP network wallet. First, you have to download this XUMM. After you download it, you will begin. I want to show you how to input. First, you go to your Trust wallet. I want to import our wallet. Now, this is it. So, after you download the XRP wallet, click on it, add a new wallet. When doing so, please, you can create a new one or you add an existing one, but it's advisable to import an existing one, because if you create a new one you might not see your passphrase you get, and when you don't have your passphrase, in case your phone lost, you can't get it back. You can't get back that account. So import, make sure you choose full access, make sure you take numeric. You say I understand. My numeric phrase is 12, so I'm choosing 12. Some is 16, some is 24, so mine is 12. I'm going to import. Then you come here, please. I'm going to think, let me copy it all one time and see if I can be putting it all by one. Number one, this is number one. Okay, it's two jump back. I think we are going to be taking it one by one. Number two, number three, hope you guys are seeing what I'm doing. Number four, number five, number six. Number six is son. Okay, we'll type it ourselves. Son. Number seven. Okay, number eight is once recall. We just copy the recall and put once recall salary. Just have to be putting it one by one. So after that, after you finish putting it, you say next. Okay, this is your XRP wallet. You say confirm, you can copy it so you can deposit some XRP into it. Make sure you choose standard. Then you give your XRP a name, your wallet name, XRP. Congratulations, your XRP has been imported. Now, they say your account is not activated yet. You have to copy this XRP wallet here. Copy it and deposit some XRP. Remember, 10 XRP will be taken. 10 XRP will be taken for network fee. So you have to deposit at least 30 or 20, or 10 will be taken for like I said. So after you deposit, it will look like this. Yes, to show your balance and other things. So next we'll be talking about how to add a trust line on XRP. We're going to add a trust line. We're going to unmint one. I'm going to show you how to unmint. I'm going to remove this one. Okay. Okay, we have successfully unminted this one, and our fees is being given back. Once you unmint, your fees will come back to you, so you don't have to worry. Next thing we should do now, we should add the trust line. Let me show you how to add trust line. Let's see if we have any current trust line here. I think we do. Okay, this is it. Once you click it, you see it open in browser. And you wait for something to pop up. Okay, this is it. You say confirm to take you to your wallet. Now when it takes you to your wallet, now you have to slide this. Make sure you slide it to the end to ask you all the security. Are you sure you want to? You say continue. You put your handprint. I've successfully added the trust line. So once it's successful, this is the trust line we just added. Now you have, before you start adding trust line, you have to know there's when snapshot is being taken, so you can mint before the snapshot. If not, you won't get it. So now let me show you how to exchange it if in case you want to sell. It's how to exchange it, but for now you can't exchange this one because of the price range. Now let's see this other 100 exchange. Okay, this one you can exchange it. This is 2.65 XRP. Once you click exchange, it will ask you to confirm and everything, and it will be done. So thank you guys for watching my YouTube video. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be bringing more on how to do more airdrops soon. Stay tuned, or you can email me or WhatsApp me. I'll drop my WhatsApp number below the comment, so don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.